Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a pretty cool car. It's a 1970 Beetle with a turbo on it. A lot of work's been done to this car. I got Carlos, the owner here. He's gonna tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Carlos?
Good, good.
Man, what a car, bro.
Nice car.
Yeah. Finished in red. It's got like a Porsche Replica wheels on it. So tell us a little about it.
It's a nice car. Have a drive for 2 years.
Okay.
Really fun car.
Mm-hmm.
Just sorry, but you can drive at the train.
Sure.
It's no cover at the back.
I love it, man. The turbo sticking off the back like that.
Yes.
Super straight body. The paint looks pretty fresh.
And what else?
Chromed
The
out
front
back
right.
there. What size is the motor? 16?
It's 19.
19?
Yeah.
1970?
Turbo. Yeah.
1970 cc's?
Yes.
Holy cow.
Yes.
Brand new tires. I like the custom rear view mirrors. Pretty cool. Got disc brakes all the way around.
All these brakes all around. Exactly.
Man, that is pretty neat. You know, you don't really see these around.
No.
Maybe in California, you know.
Maybe but the south, not around here.
Not around here, man. Got custom Procar seats. They're leather. It smells like rich leather in here. Custom steering wheel wrapped in leather. Custom stereo.
It's 911 floor mats.
Wow, nice
For
touch. Very cool. Got a B&M shifter.
Yeah.
Is it still a 4-speed?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Beautiful door panels, brand new carpet. Man, this thing is just done right. You got a full build book there as well.
Yes, this is a full pound baby.
Sub in the back. What kind of speakers are in the Rufford Fuzzy?
I don't really know.
Okay, we'll check that out. Man, pretty. Big motor back here, all chromed out.
All chrome, yeah.
What size is the turbo?
I'm not
You know, sure, it's a little guy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
It's got to be tuned though, I think, right?
Yeah.
Dyno tuned?
Yeah.
How about
Yes,
how many
of course.
miles are on the motor?
Not too many.
Yeah, it's pretty fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Okay. Man, definitely a big bang for the buck out of this car. Custom VDO gauges. Showing 1,971 miles. So it's a pretty fresh build.
Yeah, it's fresh. I don't just like maybe Sunday.
Mm-hmm. It's a show
All
car.
winter it sits at the garage.
Nice dash. Man, all new felts in the windows and everything. Can you pop the trunk? The Frunk? Wow, big amp too. That's a nice Alpine amp. This a car cover
Yes.
included?
Yes. All included. All I use the car.
Yeah, that is pretty sweet.
All chrome.
Yeah, I like all the hardware and everything. Very nicely done. Oh, with the billet hinges too. Man, a lot of money spent on this car. All right, you can shut it. Fire it up. Man, sounds good, huh, fellas?
Really good. I love the sound.
Me too.
It's not like normal.
Nothing like it. It's such a Porsche sound.
Yeah.
That flathead.
Yeah.
Or the Boxster style. Cool, man. fiction car, Carlos. Definitely a little bit of a sleeper, huh?
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Check this out on our website. Got a full write-up and everything, build book. 631-339-0399. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Carlos, thank you so much for showing us your car, man. Pretty killer. You're welcome.